welcome back to my channel. I hope you like my videos, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to get a notification on my next videos, and like and share it on social media if you want to. Okay, today we got an unboxing of Einhell hot gun, and this is a hot gun with 2 temperature settings, heat protected, safe and stable. This is a hot gun which is powered by 240 volts and 50 Hz, and on the first temperature setting is consuming a kilowatt, and on the second temperature setting is using 2 kilowatts. This product here has, as I told you before, 2 temperature settings, is heat protected, is safe and stable. You can store it on the table, and is including some tools and some accessories in the box also. Okay, let's open this pack and see what we got inside. Inside here we can find some manuals, safety instructions, some addresses from different countries where we can find services, and this here is original operating instruction for Einhell hot air gun. So you can find in this book here how to use it in different languages. Okay, so this is powered for UK brake cable, which is I would say 1.5 meter long. And there it is. This is how big it is. This is the temperature settings: to 1 up, 0 at the middle, 2 on the bottom. This is the heat protection, and this is how we can store it on the table. We got some accessories here. If you wanna burn some paint, you can use these accessories to do it. And you can fit this one straight away here to clean it and heat it in the same time. It's good that this gun comes with a box, and you can keep your accessories inside here in the box. Okay guys, so that's all you have in the box, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and share it and like it on social media and give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you find these videos useful, and click on that notification bell to receive a notification on my next videos. Until next time, I wish you all the best. I will see you soon.